Okay, so as we just talked about, on these questions we're given equations, linear equations, x and y variables, and we're asked to find the intercepts of the line. So we don't have the luxury of seeing a graph and seeing where the line crosses the x-axis or y-axis, but we know that to find the y-intercept, we know that that is going to happen. In other words, the line is going to cross the y-axis when x equals 0. And as Molly just said, we simply can put right here, we can put x equals 0 in here for the y-intercept because we know that to be true. You'll see that on the screen in a moment. And now, but how do we actually find it? Well, we actually have to solve it. So we've got to go we've got 2x plus 5y equals -6. We're going to actually replace the x with 0 in our equation. So this right here is going to become 0. We're going to get, it's a basic substitution. 2 times 0 plus 5y equals -6. Can someone take it away from there? Molly again, or Raymond or Vigo? Clark, I know you got it. So what would we do now? I'm ready to.
Put the 5 in the next place.
Yes, we get 5y equals -6, right? Because there's nothing left of the 2x, it's 0. So what do we get? What am I doing on the screen here? What am I getting on the screen here? Our y-intercept, can you explain what happened there? Oh, we're gonna, yeah, 5y equals -6. We have to divide by 5 on both sides, and then we get y equals -6 over 5. And that becomes the place. That is the y-intercept, right? So that's our answer for this one. For the x-intercept, what do we need to make? Let's have someone different, Clark or Raymond or Molly again, that's fine. What would we need to make? What would we need to put in here for the x-intercept? For the x-intercept, what do we need to make y equal to? Anybody, any takers there? Come on, guys. Raymond, can we hear from you? For the x-intercept, make what equal to 0? Or Vigo, make y equal to 0. Okay. And then we have to solve. So we actually have to substitute it in. 2x plus 5 times 0 equals -6. And that means 2x equals -6. And x is going to equal -3, right? When we divide by 2 on each side. There you go. So we put in -3 here. Have a good look at that, guys. Now go ahead and fill that in. Everybody, even if you didn't understand it at first, you can fill that in now. Make sure you show all your work. We're going to go around the room in a moment. Do a little tour and see your work. So prepare for that. Just go ahead and make sure you follow what's happening here. Again, we're solving to find the y-intercept. We make x equals 0 and we solve for y. And we got y equals -6 over 5. To find the x-intercept, you make y equal to 0 and you get 2x equals -6 and x equals -3. So there you go. Any questions at this point? Looking in the chat. All right. And And good. Let's go ahead and check and go around the room and make sure everybody's on board here with us. So go ahead. Good job. Thank you very much, Carlos. You're in progress there. You got the idea. And nice job, Clark. Got the idea for sure. Beck, thanks. Good to have you with us. Good to see your work. Vigo, looks like you got the wrong answer, and that's probably because you didn't show your work. So the main thing is go ahead and erase that and show your work on the screen. As you can see from all these other ones, you see you got to do the algebra. Simone must be working on it. Keep going. Xavier, good job. See how Xavier's got the work. He's showing how he puts the 0 in, he substitutes it, and he solves the equation. So go ahead, Vigo and Simone, try that out. This one is Thatcher. Good job, Thatcher. Looking very good. I love that neatness. Excellent work. Don't forget, though, Thatcher, to put in your answers. You've got to fill in these boxes right here. So don't forget to fill in the answers. Excellent. Angel, good to have you with us. And it looks like you got the hang of it. It looks like this works too. Don't forget that this is -5/6 here, Michael. So just fix that up. It looks like you're already in progress and you're doing it. Sophia, a good job. And nice one, Emily. Always with that text. Now, the only thing is here, you don't think you wrote in what you actually put. You put -6/5 here on the right, but you forgot to put that into the y-intercept coordinates. So the coordinates of the y-intercept are 0 and -6/5. So go ahead and fix that up. This for Diego, nice job. You're right on it there, -6/5. And over on the x-intercepts is -3, 0. Same thing over here, Emily, the numbers for your coordinates are incorrect. So it's not 2, 0. It's going to be -3, 0. As we can see from Diego's example. This one's, Raymond, you have to have a look at that. I think it's not so simple. Again, same thing. Go ahead and fix yours up. Same thing with Molly. Go ahead and fix yours up. It's -5/6, and it's going to be -3, 0. So there's our TA's work. You can see it right here. I'll leave it on the screen for just another moment. Get you guys to be caught up, and we'll move on. It's actually time to log into Khan Academy, so you can work on it there. I just want to make sure that everybody gets this on the screen, so I'm going to go back and check that in just a moment. And I'll give you your class dojos for that. So it's always good. Beck, I didn't see anything from you. Angel, I got yours. Carlos, Clark, fix yours up though, Clark. Simone, fixing yours up. Diego, good job. Emily, you got yours. Dak, I don't see you on there. Molly, good job at fix it up. Michael Gatto, good one. Raymond, fix it up. Rebecca, I know your internet's in and out. Sophia, Tanner, Thatcher, Vigo, Xavier. So I'm going to go around the room one more time here, and hopefully everybody's on board. And there we go from there. So excellent work, guys, in general.